killed a chicken fucker.
Wait, doesn't it run from you?
Why are they so furry?
You guys, I was not awake in the
Are
rib
these
eating.
noodle chickens?
I know I wasn't.
You were what?
The rib eating? I wasn't awake for that.
She goes, look at my nails. I didn't have ribs last night. They're clean. What am I catching?
You're supposed to get him to chase you. Come on.
Your feet are like little kids' feet.
I know. They're
Not even like little toes. They're just like little.
They're like
so
unproportional. Really small.
Run!
No, I won't even follow her.
Go closer.
She's like touching them.
Start dancing around them and running away slowly. Look! Oh, go, go, go!
Oh,
Get away from me!
So dude, last weekend he chased me, dude, all the way up here. I had to
Man,
run
his
into the
feet
house.
are weird. He's got big feathers on his feet. Like
He actually made contact. He jumped up on my lap and like...
Yeah, he
you didn't
flies
know
in your
he was.